Hi everybody, it's Creative Sarah here. Today we're going to do a DIY family palette board. We have our diagonal palette board, which is really cool. It is a 12 by 18 size. It comes in a gray finish, and I'm just going to sand it and distress it a little bit. Then I will clean it off and go ahead and wax it. So I'm just waxing the wood surface on the top. Then I'm going to grab my little thing and buff off the rest, like you flip over the little pad. Okay, we're gonna do this cute transfer. I'm gonna peel the backer sheet off like that so that you don't get it stuck to anything, because it's kind of a big transfer. Then fuzz it. We want to fuzz it a little bit so that it is less sticky than it normally is. Place it onto your board however you like. Make sure it's straight. It took me a second to get that right. And then I'm going to use Storm, Black Velvet, and Eucalyptus chalk paste. Okay, so once I grab my squeegee, I'm just going to use the eucalyptus at the top, the little green pieces, and then all the little tiny thin words and lines are going to be in our black velvet so that it really stands out. I am just going to flip that up and let it air dry. I'm separating the silkscreen from the chalk while the chalk is drying, because this transfer is going to take a while to do, and I don't want any of the chalk to dry on the silkscreen. So I just peel it back and then press down the stuff that I haven't done yet. Now I'm going to get in there with some Storm. The big words are getting Storm. And I'm just going to finish it off with some more black, a little bit more Storm. And of course, we're going to do some more eucalyptus at the bottom and black as well. So when this is completely done, you're going to see a really, really awesome sign. It's great for living room. It's great for kitchen. Bless the food before us, the family beside us, and the love between us. So it's really cool. Once that is completely done, I think you're going to love it. Go ahead and visit CreativeSarah.com for more information.